Been working on that fl250 tank. I made a bend right here. Made this crimping around with my new Autobody hammer set. It's only 27 bucks. Not too bad. I would do this all the way through here, but I would need to weld this piece. I'm just trying to make it sit, and then it'll be well, going like that, so it's double. I think that's what I need. I'm just trying to recreate the shape of the bottom of the gas tank, but once I get this piece, I can bend this piece down, and got some work to do. I need to make straight edge. I think that's my biggest issue, is I'm not making a straight edge. It's like wavy, and I think I'm doing it with the grinder, but grinders almost need like a track to run it down. But alright, well, that's what's new on the 250 tank. Catch you on the next one. Thanks for stopping by.